box margin, border, and padding. Hi everyone, welcome back to the course where I teach you the really basics of the CSS. And today we are going to talk about the margin, border, and padding of certain text or of box of text. Okay, so if I press now F12 on our web page, and then if I select computed, you can see one thing here. You can see a graphical picture showing the margin, okay, then the border of the text, and then the padding. And inside it is actually the text, okay. So the margin usually is the distance from the wall of the website, okay. Then we have the border, which is immediately close to our text, and for now we don't have a border. Then there is the padding, which we still don't have as well, the distance from the border. And finally we have the actual text. So if I select this container here, you can see that as we create the margin to be automatic on 80%, you can see the margin from the walls, okay. Then we don't have border, we don't have padding, and then we have our actual boxes of text, okay, and both boxes are within the same container, okay. So it makes sense that we see them like this. And controlling the margin, the border, and the padding, you're basically controlling how your text is separated from the rest of the elements in your website. So let's work a little bit on box 1 and little bit play with the box margin and padding of box 1, okay? So the first thing I will do is to add a border. So let's write border, then 5px, red, solid, okay? So I'm adding a border that is 5 pixels and it's red and it is solid. So let me actually save this. And now before running it, we're also going to add border width, which is going to be equal to 3px. And actually here I forgot to write a semicolon, or I deleted it, I don't know what happened. But let's run the code again, and now you can see that of course our text is white, the background is gray, and also we have a border that is red now. And if I select here border, wait, I will select box 1, and if I select here border, you see that the red border is marked, and the margin, it's actually not existing because we're looking for the margin from our main container, which is the one above, okay. And then let's play a little bit with this border and see what is going to change. So let's write border dash bottom width, and I would make this 10px or 10 pixels. And if we select it, now it is thicker. Then let's write border top style, okay, dotted, so the upper border will be dotted, and then margin, let's make it 20 pixels and see what's gonna happen. So let's run our code now, and you can see that this box now it's more squeezed, so it's kind of more squeezed than the box 2. It has dotted border on the top, it has thick border on the bottom, and this is basically what we have done, modifying it. So I will actually remove the margin so these boxes can be on the same level. Here we go. And then what I will do is I will modify specifically the header of box 1. Yes, we can do this also with CSS, and I will show you it is really simple. So write dot box 1 and then h1, okay. And if you remember, h1 refers to our header, okay, h1. So this is how the system knows that it needs to modify only the header. So let's modify the header a little bit. Let's write font family Arial, okay, then font width 800, then font style, so the font style will be italic, and then text decoration underline, then text transform will be 0.2 em, okay, and finally word spacing I will make 1 em, okay. So that's it, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen now. So as you can see, now everything that we applied is only applied to the header of our text, okay, only to box 1. And this is the way that you can even go deeper and modify even the components of your container. So I think that video is already long enough, and I think that was enough for today, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.